Guys, here's so guys, today I'm going to tell you a karambit. There are formal kathas available, but I've tried to make one. I hope it will work for you and you'll be able to practice well. So first thing is drawing. First part, in your pocket, use your index finger, pull it out, pull it back, use your index finger, pull it out. Now, the first movement of the kata. Roll it, flip it, go back. Flip it, hold it, go back. Watch again. Drop, flip, go back. That's the first movement. So drawing, flipping, going back. Step 3. After you've taken it out, flipped it, move back. Step 3. Flip it again, stab, stab, do a butt strike. So once you are here, stab, stab, butt strike. So putting all three together, draw, move back, stab, stab, butt strike. After you've done the butt strike, flip it up, cutting chin, you're cutting the tender parts here under the chin. Flip, flip and control, flip and control, flip it again, stab. So flip it under the chin, stab, move back. So try and put it all together. Drawing, flipping, moving back, stabbing, stabbing, a butt strike onto the face, moving back, stepping forward, strike, strike, flip under the chin, here, turn around, move back. I think this is quite a bit of a sequence and you can practice this as the kata. Thank you.